All right, here now to weigh in is Dr. Kathleen Kuhlman, clinical and public policy psychologist, and Azra Namani, Parents Defending Education Vice President of Strategy and Investigations. Ladies, thanks for joining me. So, Kathleen, I'm going to go to you first. So here we just heard this report where we have Amazon Alexa telling a little kid to put a penny in an exposed socket, right? It's dangerous. But isn't this the role of parents to actually say, you know, what kind of devices do we have in our house and what kind of advice could they give my children as opposed to blaming Amazon themselves?
Well, I think you're exactly right. The advent of social media and these devices in the house has really done away with a lot of common sense. You know, gone are the days where parents would teach their kids at a young age that you don't put a fork in the electrical socket. And this is essentially what's happening, is that all critical thinking has gone out the window. And these devices and social media essentially serve as peer pressure on steroids in trying to get these kids to do these really dumb activities that they think are going to be okay because they're told by something that they see as credible and reliable.
Yeah, no doubt. And Azra, you've been at the forefront of talking about these kind of issues of the health of kids in schools. But with regard to TikTok, and listen, I get this. I have 9 kids. I got girls. They love social media, and it's really hard to limit how much time they're on those platforms and what content they see. But in the end, isn't this really the job of the parent to engage our kids and figure out, you know, what they're seeing and how much time they're on these platforms? Because it's having a huge impact on their mental health.
Yeah, I mean, there's absolutely responsibility for the parents. But, you know, Sean, the big tech companies have been completely negligent. And you know this from the discussions that we've had in Congress on Instagram and Facebook. But they are going into our children's lives unfettered, and they are using their rights as technology companies and taking advantage of a lack of regulation that we've got on issues about protecting children on the internet. We have laws in place, and unfortunately, they're skirting those laws. And the other very dangerous thing that I want everyone to pay attention to is that these same companies and various investors in them are now going into our school systems to now survey our kids about how messed up they are. And so the same people who have messed with the minds of our children are now coming in with multi-million-dollar contracts to save our children. And so we have to be very, very skeptical and cynical about big tech in our children's lives, and definitely caution every parent to not trust these systems because they are not looking out for your children like you do.
Listen, I wish I had more time to dig deeper into this, but what I see too, and from your work, Asra, is yes, we have our schools, our education system, you know, pushing a certain narrative towards our kids. But if you're a parent and you don't see the left-wing ideology that's forced to your kid through the feeds of social media, you are missing a whole huge aspect of what's happening in your child's life. It's real, and you have to be aware of it. But ladies, thank you for joining me, and Happy New Year to you both.
You too, Sean. Thank you.